fears of Calcarea carbonica child.
Fears of Calcarea carbonica. The fears are many in this child, possibly more than in any other polycrest remedy type. Several fears are common. Most have fears of dark and of shadows, as does phosphorus. These children often want to sleep with the light on because they are susceptible to nightmares in the dark. They fear spiders and insects. Toddlers may point at insects and scream hysterically, "Bug, bug, bug." They often fear heights, dogs, and thunderstorms as well. Infants have a fear of loud voiced people because they are startled by them. The Calcarea carbonica infant is also frightened by people approaching too quickly, as are Brita carbonica and Lycopodium infants. Older children and teens may develop a fear of mice and of narrow enclosed spaces. Fear that something unpleasant will happen leads Calcarea carbonica children to be apprehensive when they do not know the plans, or if plans are changed unexpectedly or at the last minute. Because of their apprehension about the future and the need to finish tasks, they do not like breaks or changes in routines. They also want to know everything that might happen in a new situation. Like good journalists, they want to keep abreast of who, what, when, where, why, and how. Particularly in unfamiliar territory, they virtually interrogate the parents with questions, trying to flesh out their understanding of unfamiliar places, activities, or guests. In a new classroom or in any new group, the child appears nervous, often to a degree inappropriate to his tender years. If the parents are not home on time, they fear a calamity. If they learn of an accident through the television or newspaper, they immediately project the event onto their own family members. This anxiety about others is most often seen in Calcarea carbonica children who have had a recent emotional loss. They also have a fear of being alone in the dark. They may not wish to go to bed alone, as their fear of ghosts and monsters mandate that a person tuck them in. Others merely need a parent to be somewhere in the house, even if they do not interact directly. This may mislead some homeopaths to prescribe the remedy Lycopodium if the rest of the case lends itself to a Calcarea carbonica diagnosis. Prescribe it and you will find that these and other fears will disappear. Later on, in children who have had these Lycopodium type fears, the fear of being alone in the dark may return with a constellation of new symptoms. This will most likely point to a new remedy picture, namely Lycopodium, which often follows Calcarea carbonica. Bad news, ghost stories, masks, and fright for any reason upsets these children very much. They are overly sensitive and vulnerable to these experiences and become very frightened. Nightmares are likely to follow watching scary movies or television programs or hearing ghost stories. When they watch something frightening on television, they usually try to change the channel or leave the room. One girl would close her eyes and begin to sing and shout at the top of her lungs to drown out the sound of the television. This annoyed the family to no end. In fact, it was her brother who volunteered the details of all her fearful behavior. If the children are unfortunate enough to have watched frightening programs, the fright is uncompounded every time they close their eyes at night, as the image returns to frighten them anew. Many Calcarea carbonica children become clingy during illnesses. This is especially true of those who are very fearful or who have experienced a deep grief. During fevered state, the children wants to be very close to the mother or father for security. These toddlers may cry and scream, follow the mother around the house, and demand constant attention. The child is screaming, though intense, stops immediately upon being picked up. One sick 13-month-old cried whenever the mother left the room, wanting to be held on her lap the entire time. After the remedy helped this child, she stopped acting so dependent and began to show curiosity, exploring and getting into everything. While the initial behavior is similar to that of pulsatilla, including crying, wanting to nurse, and wanting to sleep with the parents, the child appears basically strong. Once the parents are established as an anchor, the little one is able to confront the rest of the world easily. This can be observed in the strength of character and the gaze. Many chronic fearful behaviors may have their etiology traced to specific frights. Either seeing a stimulus or hearing of it draws the child back into a remembered state of fear. Continued worry can also produce this state. For example, the slow child who needs to take a school entrance exam in order to get into a good school may develop this syndrome. He or she will have studies and worried continuously up until the time of the test.